I'm gonna assume. Let's see. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what that does. Did I get it? No, I did not. I'm retarded. Alright. This pack's gonna be everywhere, so. Alright. Sinful Spoils. So yeah, I played against this before. Yeah. I've done that. Alright. Zapper Shrimp. Endlessness. It's endlessness over here. No Lava Golem. No Dragon Master. Mirage Mirror Force. Sorry, I'm just taking a look at him, reading. Alright. Ooh. Okay. Double die. Alright. Ready? Oh! What you guys know about that? This is one of your guys' favorite moves on Master Duel. Hey, hold on, man. Do something.